Heyo, you guys, welcome to my channel. Right now I'm on my bed. No, you're not on a tripod. I'm filming on my phone. Straight from YouTube. But I wanted to tell you something. I'm so sad right now. I don't know what that was. But I had plans for today. I had big plans for today. My sister was supposed to sleep in my room. That's not going to change. But I wanted to go up to the bank and put more money in my account because I got a whole bunch of money yesterday. $140. Thanks so much. Look. Oh yeah, my tooth. Or my gums actually started bleeding. Your tooth can't bleed. I hate when people are like, my tooth's bleeding. I'm like, no, your gum's bleeding. But I wanted to go do stuff today and look outside. Look at it. Now, I'm going to be quiet for a minute just so you can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm going to go step outside for a minute. You know why? Because I'm dumb, and I want to get good content for you guys. Have you guys looked outside?
Yeah.
I'm going to go outside. Holy crap, it's so much louder. Oh God. Holy crap, look at that. Should I go out? I want to go out in the rain. I'm going to do it for like a second. I'm going to set this up because I don't want to get my phone all wet. Okay. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. Here. I'm actually going to go out this way then. Okay. Here we go. I'm so scared, I don't know why. Crap. Crap, my ring fell off. Dang it, I just got dried from the shower I took. I got my phone all wet too. I just made it even worse doing that. Do you guys hear that? It would be... Something's wrong if you guys can't hear that with my phone. I'm all wet and cold now. That was probably the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. Hello. Oh, water's dripping down my back. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get dried off. Hope you guys like me showing you how terribly bad it's raining here in Brunswick, Ohio. Okay, look at my pool. Well, hey, now my pool's filled up. But I hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure to like, comment what I should do next time, and subscribe so you can join the Squire Squad and hit the little notification bell so you can join the notification squad. Bye.